Hello and welcome back to our channel. So on today's video we're gonna go out there. We got a 2020 Carrera S Porsche. We're gonna flip this thing around and we're gonna dig right into beautiful color, quite a bit of work to do, but nevertheless we're gonna do our magic. So outside we go. Okay, so here she is, and I did an assessment already, and there's some flaws that you can see in some areas. The trim is all neglected. There's some streaks out here hard to see, and this area back here fully neglected. The lights, they have a lot of swell marks, but nevertheless she just came out of the dealer's truck. Customer purchased the car and straight to me, so I'm blessed that my customers, I have the best customers in the world. I have something in here also, and the typical dealer tire dressing, gooky, juicy stuff. It's all over the place already. It has a PPF from here all the way forward, but we're gonna polish her up and we're gonna do the ceramic. We're gonna polish the glass. The glass, it doesn't look that good up and close, and hopefully we can continue with the assessment. Ons is inside the garage right now. I'm running around to make sure that I get the little daylight that is left to wash it, dry her, put it inside the AC, and down we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our wheel cleaner deluxe and take this gooky, whatever they put on the tires, out. So we're gonna start with the wheels, especially the tires. I need to get that stuff out of there so we can put the T2 later on. And that's the problem with these inexpensive products. The dealer already washed it, but I'm gonna rewash it. I felt the surface already has a lot of imperfections and contamination, so we're gonna use the clay block, and then we go. Already this stuff coming out. Look at all that stuff, all from the tires. All right, so I did the initial assessment with the little baggie. You can feel all over the place the impurities. I did the wheels. Look at how bright they look already, looking good. Now we're gonna go put some, we're gonna wash her first, then we're gonna go behind with the oxidation block or clay block. So washing we go. So we're going with the garden hose because I don't have time for pressure washer, and she was already washed. So I'm just gonna give it a quick wash, then with the clay block, and down we go. And remember, we got a video about the ratio for the gun. That was a fun video. So we washing, and then we will clay block, dry it up, and put it inside on the AC, and that's the goal for today. So spraying we go. And the clay block. All right, so we got her inside. I'm gonna check all the surfaces, make sure we're good. And I want to show you a fun fact here. Right here. Let's see if I can get it straight. Oh, what's that? Huh. 4337. And then look at here. Clearly, because we had the paper, you can see the line right there. So that 37 on this area, 35, so that's a warning right there, big time. 3846. All right, so I will continue. She's inside the garage. Measure her up. Got a company there. Okay, so here's some what we're gonna be dealing with. Very hard to catch, but you can clearly see. We're gonna enhance all of that. And another view here, the transition from the right front fender right there. There you go. And back here, we're probably gonna spend quite a bit of time to enhance all of this. It's gonna take some time. Nice and easy. Alright, so we have the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S fully done, and it came out outstanding. So I'm gonna give you the final walk around here, then we're gonna take it outside, and it's quite sunny, so it might be hard to really see what we're filming, but we're gonna try. But look at this beauty. So I was asked the other day a question about how many pads we usually use. I don't have a number, but this is the amount that we had to use. And of course we measured the paint, and then the king right here, the Swerve Remover Pro X, and this is the machine that I like to use, the 15 front griots. All right, so this car has a clear paper right here, PPF, and it has the whole front end and on the back side and the spoiler. So we polished the whole thing with the Turbo Wax Swerve Remover Pro X. First we wash her with the car shampoo outside. We used the clay block, then we came inside, did the assessment, and then we went on with the swerve remover. We polished all the paper, the clear paper, we polished the wheels, and we polished the glass and everything back there. So outside we will show you the back end. All the plastics we ceramic them with via the sprayer, and we put 2 coats on this car, and we did the brakes and calipers with the boosted, the wheels and tires we cleaned with the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe, and then the tires we just finished putting with the T2. The interior we did not touch, was not requested. All the plastic trim, it was all faded, if you remember, and our boosted is able to bring it back and also protect it. So the whole thing is completely done on the back end, and these lights back there, they came out beautiful. So I hope that we can find a nice place outside and record a little bit, And then this one will be a car for us to remember for a while. It just happened that we just landed our new turbo wax ceramic spray TC1, which is for top coat 1. We're static, and this car we will remember forever. We will remember forever because it came at the time that the spray wax came to life. So we will be adding this to the website, and we will explain more about the product. But this is the Porsche. Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up in here, but we're gonna go outside, find us a nice shaded area, and then we're gonna do a few more videos out there and show you. I think that she shines, and it looks, you can appreciate more inside here under the lights. I had her outside yesterday. It looks stunning, but in here with the white and the lights, of course we're inside the AC, so it's easy to talk, but nevertheless we're going outside. So outside we go. Alright, so we're back at the shop and the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S. It looks stunning, looks beautiful. So I show you inside, outside, give you a walk around, and I'm quite happy with it. Customer came and picked it up. He was super happy, so that's a good thing. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, check us on Instagram, TurboWax. Check us our online store, turbowax.com, which now we have the Turbo Wax Ceramic Spray CT1. So you can apply to a ceramic coated surface or non-ceramic. So anyways, I thank you again. Until next time. Thank you.